what is up? This is Latika and welcome guys to a new video. I hope all of you are doing very well. Aaj guys, I am very super excited because we are heading to a vacation. And aaj ke live mein you are seeing the haul because obviously before every vacation, shopping to थोड़ी सी बनती है. In fact, I think one of my favorite things about vacation is obviously कि वहाँ का vibe कैसा होगा. Taking out the time to plan your outfits. And so I am very excited. Clearly, of course, because of the travel, but of course because of what I am going to shop there. Now, some of my tips for any of your upcoming travel. A is of course कुछ कपड़े जो aesthetic होती जाएगी, जो vibe होती जाएगी, उसमें ही fit होते हैं. So always keep that in mind. Secondly, of course, is the weather. Keep in mind कि क्या weather है. Will it get chilly? Will it not? And make sure the material that you choose of the clothes is super appropriate according to that. And the third thing that I like to do is have a blend of neutrals and statement pieces. So जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ ना, 50% of my wardrobe is basically colorful prints, graphic prints and statement wear, and then 50% of my suitcase is basically all neutrals. तो इससे क्या होता है कि एक तो जो आपका मन है जो भी vibe के according, you can either go very statement or go very neutral, or you can even mix and match. And because you're carrying 50% neutrals, आपके बहुत सारे combinations भी develop हो सकते हैं. The fourth tip from my end would be to have fun. Travel is all about having fun, exploring, enjoying. So even with your fashion, I think it is one of the best time to take risks. एक तो you're out of your comfort zone, you're totally different environment, तो आप थोड़े और comfortable होते हो trying out new outfits. या फिर अगर आपको कोई style नहीं है, then you sort of want to try out more different looks. And the fifth one is the travel light. Now what that means is that because travel में one of the main things is carrying the weight around of the suitcase इधर उधर. One of the main things that you have to focus on is कि weight क्या है clothes का versus its functionality. Especially अभी winters आ रही है, and in fact even I am traveling to a colder place, right? So something like a trench coat या फिर a full overcoat will be very heavy as compared to a wind cheater या फिर a puffer jacket, which will be very light but will do the job more or less. So winters में थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना होता है. Summers में if you're traveling, you can always think about कि jeans कितना weight लेती है versus some light skirt. And gradually in my travel, I've started to keep lots of like flowy stuff, lots of quad sets, dresses, something जिसको ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना style करने में, because you want to save on that time when you're traveling and just put on the dress and maybe match a pair of earrings with it. Okay, तो ये हो गया, and I think now let's get started with the haul. And actually एक tip मैंने miss कर दिया, but उसी के related ये product है, and that is to carry accessories. Now accessories I would recommend कि आप जितनी भी carry हो सब statement accessories carry करो, because they will instantly amplify your look, whether it's for pictures, whether it's on ground. And that brings me to my first purchase of this haul, जो कि काफी extra है, but oh my god, I am loving it. So this is a full pearl bag. This is what it looks like. Fully pearl से है. इसका जो string है या फिर जो handle है वो भी ऐसा ही है. And in fact जो यहाँ पे button है, that is also in this pearl motif. The good thing I like about this, अभी तक मैंने सारे pearl bags छोटे से देखे थे, but this is almost the size of my face. It will fit your phone, wallet very easily, and I just love how honestly it looks in person. एक और चीज़ जो मुझे इसमें बहुत अच्छी लगी इसकी ये white color में है. So this will match with any outfit, right? But because of the texture, because of it being in this pearl material, it will always make a statement. And what more do you need, right? Also guys, keep commenting on your favorite product, or are you traveling somewhere? And if you are, then what product are you looking forward to adding in your wardrobe? Okay, let's move on. I think I will go ahead with this because this is full summer vibe. So this is from the brand Harpa. We have a full floral dress. Guys, this is what it looks like. So बहुत ज़्यादा pretty vibes है इसकी. I mean, it is just so like you are in Europe, which maybe I am going to. Actually I am by this point, and probably you know that. And this is just very dreamy basically, which is why I absolutely love it. You have थोड़ा सा deep neck here, and sleeves पे you basically have these drops falling off, so it looks really nice. And इसके side पे भी ये ruching effect हो रखी है एक side पे, ताकि थोड़ा सा structure आए basically dress को. And this becomes very important in your dress. If like it's a flowy dress, there needs to be some kind of shape or structure or something which is bringing shape to the entire body. So I love the fact that इसमें ये है. The top is very oversized, very oversized sleeves as well. flowing down, and इसकी length भी अच्छी है because maxi dresses while traveling can be a little bit inconvenient. So I would recommend something below the knees if you want that, or something like this, even U shape or uneven structure. Now hint, when I'm shopping for this vacation बहुत ही confusing लग सकता है because एक side पे I am talking about puffer jackets and एक side पे I am talking about summer dresses and floral dresses, but I am going to literally one hot country and one very cold country, so I'm excited for that. But that also means कि मेरी shopping list काफी vague है, but hopefully you guys get inspiration for both. Even winter season आने वाला है. So this is the next thing that I've bought for my winter wear. This is what it looks like, and basically ये ना एक sweater dress है. And picture में मुझे उतना समझ नहीं आया कि यार ये separate होगा, quad set होगा, क्या होगा. But actually you have this full black dress, knees के नीचे तक आती है मेरे को ये, and इसके साथ ही इसमें ये turtleneck ना inbuilt है. So this is what it looks like. It opens from here. You have the sleeves right here. So sort of poncho type का है. Open sleeves है. यहाँ पे you can put your hand. यहाँ तक open है. Turtleneck is very high, so very cozy, very nicely made. The texture, the knit of this, I absolutely love. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है in person, in clothes. Doesn't look cheap at all. And because you know ये dress है तो बहुत अच्छा shape भी देती है body को. While this is bulky, so this as it is, you can wear it with boots. I think this can look so cute. मैं black कलर के साथ गई because I wanted to play it very safe in this one because it was such a bulky outfit. I was like अगर इसमें color होगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा statement लगेगा. So again another pro tip here, that if your material or if your texture or if the structure of the dress is very loud, then you can go for neutral colors or some more subtle colors, right? And guys, this was my vacation shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. सारे products Amazon से थे, and honestly I have been so happy with the quality of the products. And my favorite thing I think about Amazon is how कि वो literally time पे आ जाते हैं, या फिर एटलीस्ट जो मेंशन किया होता है उस पे तो डेफिनेटली दे डिलीवर. आई विल बी अटैचिंग ऑल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो मेक श्योर यू चेक दैट आउट. कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस है, एनीथिंग दैट आई मे हैव मिस्ड आउट अबाउट एनी प्रोडक्ट, आई वुड लव टू चिट चैट विद ऑल ऑफ यू इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो आई विल सी ऑल ऑफ यू देयर. बाकी स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज बहुत सारे अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं. आई हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट रिसेंटली एंड आई एम सुपर डुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट. टिल दैट टाइम guys, see you soon, and this is Latika signing off. Bye, take care.